You guys hearing something? Check the bathroom.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
You want mate?
Current time is 11:01 a.m. Central Standard Time. This is NOAA. Weather Radio KDO 89 St. Louis, Missouri. Broadcasting on 162.55. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. This test is normally conducted during hazardous weather 11 a.m. and emergency situations. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the warning service possible. The alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KX-970 listening area. If your receiver was turned active, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test. The alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test. We will now resume normal programming. Thank you. Temperatures are up. This concludes our test for this weekend. We will now resume normal programming. Thank you. Wind around 15 miles per hour late in the morning, shifting to the west in the afternoon. Gusts to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Tonight, much colder. Cloudy with a 30% chance of rain in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Low in the lower 30s to lower 40s. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Thursday, hot, blustery. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio. Mostly sunny. High in the mid-40s. West wind 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to around 30 miles per hour. Decatur and surrounding areas of central Illinois.
Nice job. Wait, what? Administrative message? Wait.
Of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm system. The attention
What?
signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers
Wait a minute,
to
what?
warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day.
What the?
Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.
Wait. Wait, what?
11 a.m. indicator. Skies were cloudy. The temperature.
You decoded a weekly test of administrative message. Really?